back with another wig review video, and today is by Sensationnel. This is their lace front wig, Kristen, and I ordered this wig from wigtypes.com, and I got it in the color 1B27. I'm going to place all the information down below. And yeah, this wig does come with combs and adjustable straps. Besties, I am so sorry with taking so long to get videos out, but I recently lost my boyfriend. He passed, and I've kind of been dealing with depression here and there, anxiety, and all that terrible stuff. So yeah, you guys, I'm trying. I just wanted to let you guys know what is going on, but let's get back into this wig review. I really am not feeling this color on me, and neither the curls, so I tried to kind of work it on out. I figured I would kind of straighten some of the curls, try to make it into like a beach wave, and I definitely liked it better that way. But yeah, this color, you guys, I'm not really feeling this, but I wanted to switch it up and try something new for y'all. I'm definitely feeling it much better now with the waves. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will catch you guys in the next one.